Hi, my name is Danai and I'm a DCS Engineering Graduate, and I've been with Colt for a year and a half. One of the best things about the DCS Engineering Graduate Program is the chance to work across different rotations and across different teams and gain actually hands-on experience. Through my rotations, I've had the chance to work in teams such as the asset management team, the project management team, and the cost management team, and actually finally got the opportunity to get a broader understanding of how the data center business works. Working at Colt DCS has given me the chance to be in an environment of growth and learning. People are open to new ideas and they give you actually the space to development as well. In each team that I've joined, I've had the chance to gain a bit of knowledge from each and every experienced individual, which has helped me actually develop a lot my growth path. A highlight of my journey so far has been winning the Trust Trailblazer Award for 2024. I developed a capacity management tool. This tool actually provides a single version of the truth for capacity. And what helps the business, it helps understand more about capacity increases, overselling risks, and understand the overall picture on sellable capacity.